Listen, man, if you keep having bad experiences with people, maybe you're the problem. I'm not saying you deserve it. I'm not saying you're a bad guy. But what are the odds that it's only bad luck? Because how many people watching this can identify with this? You know, you're thinking, yeah, like people betray me all the time. I lose my friends. People are bad to me. Like maybe you feel like just people are all assholes. You know, they're not, but maybe somehow you attract those people or you let them into your life even though you could reject them. Maybe you don't love yourself. Maybe you don't respect yourself. You know, I used to be like that, and I thought I loved and respected myself, and then I was like, well, if I respected myself, I would not let people treat me like shit, okay? So again, I'm not saying it's your fault or anything, but it's probably not only bad luck, or it is bad luck, but you could argue that you create your own luck, and you know you have more power than you think you do. And by the way, like I'm not a therapist, okay? And of course I'm simplifying this. This is a short video. I'm definitely not a therapist. I'm not gonna talking about your mom and how to work through your traumas or whatever. I just, you know, what I do is I help men improve their social lives and I help them build meaningful friendships. If you want to work with me, you can click on the link in the description. If you don't, that's fine. I don't really care. But what I'm saying is that you have the power. It's not. I think it's also about your mindset. If you keep thinking, the world is out to get me and people are bad and I'm so unlucky and whatever, then of course you're gonna keep doing it. I just met this guy. I'm in Chengdu, China right now. I met this Chinese guy and he keeps talking about himself in these ways. Like he keeps saying he's ugly. He keeps saying that he's not gonna find a girlfriend or whatever. It's like, of course you're not gonna find a girlfriend or like or have a good life if you keep talking about yourself in that way. You know, self-deprecation is another thing, but if you keep really talking down to yourself like this, it's not gonna, it's not good. It's just really not good. So anyway, yeah, like yes, maybe you're just really unlucky, but maybe you're more powerful than you think you are.